Let me show you how to properly set up and use your mini cordless electrical screwdriver. Also, if you are looking to get this screwdriver, in the description I'll include a special discount link so you can use it to get this whole set for the cheapest price possible. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and actually paid a bit under $10. That also was with free shipping for this price. It's absolutely insane what we're getting over here. So let's start exploring our screwdriver first. And also I'll show you basically how to do everything on this and also use all the accessories on it. So first, as you see, when it comes to the size, this is actually a fairly compact unit over here. And over here we have the trigger, so if you want to start screwing, so as you see, if you simply squeeze this, your screwdriver obviously starts to work. Also, we have the forward and reverse button here as well. So if you want to basically screw in or screw out screw, again, simply engage this or on the opposite direction. Also, what you have to realize, this unit actually is only for very light do-it-yourself tasks. So if you are planning to build a whole house with this one, forget about it. It's not that powerful essentially. And to get the best power, you also have to actually charge it first before you get it. Otherwise, it will feel incredibly sluggish. It's already not the most powerful unit, obviously. So inside the case, you also get this tiny lead, but I actually suggest you to use better quality cable. So if I actually plugged in, so you see, you have the Type-C on the bottom, so this is where you plug in. And then the other end you can plug in any wall outlet, so which takes USB, maybe even on a computer, or even you can use power bank. So see, if I plugged in my power bank here, this starts to charge essentially. But as you see, the power draw actually isn't very huge, only like 1 watt. I find this cable included is absolutely trash, so personally I wouldn't actually use this cable, so they have included some very low quality cable. I would simply take like normal USB cable, so again you can use any normal USB cable to charge this device, and then you see if I plugged in, we literally get over 2 times faster charging speeds just by changing the cable. So again, make sure to do it. Also, if you want to get basically even more torque out of this, so more power basically, you can literally even use this drill while it's plugged in. So you see, I currently have it in the power bank, but okay, so you can engage speed. As you see, I can also use it like this. So again, if you want to get a bit more punch basically from this unit. Of course, this is not official way. If you check the manuals, they obviously claim that this is not supported, but I have found it delivers actually slightly more power basically this way. So again, literally get a power bank, maybe like a longer lead, and then you can get tiny bit more power in my experience from this unit. And next, let me show you what bits we actually get when we purchase this drill. So first, for example, you see, you literally have basically drill bits as well included. So you can even like drill holes. So if you want to insert something here, so simply push it inside and that's done. So they actually have a magnet inside basically this collet over here. So it's attached basically magnet. So you see, if I shake it, it actually won't fall out. So it's absolutely awesome. So you see, also, if you're wondering what other accessories you can use with this like screwdriver, so you can use any standard drill bit accessories and also screwdriver accessories. So again, this is standard format. So you do not have to actually use these accessories. You can use your own. So you see, if you look at your own accessories, you will realize they're identical basically. So not only we get like 2 drills here, so there's 3mm drills here. But honestly, these aren't the best quality and they actually can't drill very fast. So I suggest you to actually invest maybe in slightly better drill bits basically. Maybe simply like spend like $2 and get something from Bosch or DeWalt, and it will actually transform basically how it operates basically. So these again are kind of cheap, and so again we have to really remember the price of this whole kit. So again, the included bits are kind of on the cheap end, I would say, including these. So also, for example, you see we have these long bits essentially. So we have one like regular screwdriver here, Phillips maybe number 2 and Phillips number 1, I think, over here. So see, if you want to insert these, so again literally, and that's all there is. Oh, also by the way, this drill also has very nice flashlight here as well. So when you're walking, it actually will shine in front of you, which is absolutely awesome here. And also you have, for example, this like that we can use to basically extend so the drill bit. So again, if you want to access some place that is unreachable, so you see you can easily extend this using this adapter over here. And then also we have a bunch of these like small normal bits over here. So you see we have these. So again, these can obviously replace Allen keys, and also like more, I see like the tiny versions of these. So I see we have pretty much selection of all you need over here, and also these different torques ones here as well. So you see selection is actually fairly decent, and also we can actually use sockets as well on this screwdriver. So we have sockets included from size 4 millimeters. So okay, so the smallest 4 millimeter one, and the longest largest one is 10 millimeter. Where do we have it? So you see we have 10 millimeter, but obviously if you get your own sockets, so again these are universal sockets, so again the bits included again are completely universal, so you can use your own and even take larger ones. But in my opinion, yeah, really, if you are trying to use larger sockets with this one, so again it's not a very powerful unit in my opinion. So again, only for more like lightweight tasks. So also, yep, if you want to use these sockets, you have to actually take this adapter over here inside. So you see it has this tiny ball here. Then you take your socket, for example, snap it inside here. Okay, so you see it gets held in place basically by the tiny ball. And then we can insert here and also use it to drive, yeah, even bolts inside or fasten something. And when you're using this machine to maybe screw in screws in piece of wood, essentially, I suggest you to actually pre-drill a hole for basically the screw, especially if it's a longer screw. So simply insert your drill bit. Again, I actually suggest you to invest in slightly better drill bits. These aren't the sharpest ones, essentially. And then simply drill a pilot hole for the screw to go inside. And once done, engage in the reverse and take it out essentially. Okay, and then we can screw in or screw. And yeah, if you want to take out the screw, so engage in reverse. As you see, this machine obviously is not the fastest one, but just for light tasks, if you take your time, it can, yeah, do it. Also check this, if I press this button inside, I can actually transform my drill into this shape as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Maybe if you want to screw in something basically in a ceiling, yeah, this actually is very decent. And yeah, if you want to take it back, simply again press it there. Also inside the box we have this snake attachment as well that we can use to access very hard to reach places as well. So you see, insert your drill bit here and you see you can even work like this. Or again above you, or again simply as extension. So yeah, in pretty much any way. So you can easily twist it in any way. Where when you are using this attachment, you also kind of have to hold a bit, otherwise, so you see if I do not hold it, so you see what happens. So obviously you need basically help, so to actually keep it in place and actually do the job. By the way, also, if you need the manual for this unit, you can also pause the video here. So, okay, and the other side. But again, inside this manual, we do not have anything much here. And yeah, overall for the price that you can actually get this set for, I think it's actually pretty cool. So again, if you follow the special discount links in the description, you can pick up this whole set basically for like around $10 or even a bit less sometimes basically, and that also is with free shipping. Also, see, for example, in this list you can also purchase only the screwdriver itself, so if you do need the bits. Personally, I think, for example, this like the drill bit again is completely pathetic, so included, so it's very cheap quality essentially. I would purchase your own if you actually want to do some kind of drilling work. So again, yeah, do not rely on this one. The other bits just for basic few times usage, probably okay really, so can't complain. They're much, obviously they aren't the highest end. We really have to consider that we can get this whole kit essentially for absolute peanuts really, so absolutely insane price on this thing. Yeah, when it comes to torque, definitely for low-end jobs, such as maybe like putting some IKEA furniture together, maybe does the job. So definitely beats like manual screwdriver, obviously. For its price, yeah, absolutely insane what we are getting here. So screwdriver, all the accessories, absolutely insane. Anyway, good luck.